I tell you guys, that just hits the spot. Don't you agree with me, guys? Just right in the morning when you get that first hit, if it's the coffee's right, such a good feeling, you guys. All right, you guys. So I'm gonna start off the vlog pretty much with a rant. So obviously, you guys know it's winter in Canada, and with winter, the days are shorter, so it gets darker out quick. So you turn on your headlamps. For my daily driver, the headlamps just suck, because the previous owner that owned it obviously neglected it. I gave it a lot of love, and this thing still runs like mint. But the only problem is the headlamps are pretty oxidized and sandblasted and pitted. So of course, I looked for a solution. Turned to YouTube, found a lot of videos, a lot of DIY videos. And you find a lot of BS, a lot of misleading information, a lot of misleading DIYs. But there is a lot of good videos out there too. And the thing is, with a lot of the good videos, they're just pretty much solutions. They're just a band-aid. Because I read the comments below, and a lot of people say the oxidization or the sandblasting comes back within a couple weeks, and it works fantastic, but there's not a permanent solution. So today I have a solution for you guys, and it's permanent. So I want to share with you guys my rendition of DIY fix your headlamps. I'm pretty sure you guys are going to enjoy it, and we'll want to do it to yours too. So let's get started. So as you can see, you guys, look, it's pretty bad. I'm gonna go wipe it up first, because it's just a lot of rolled dirt and stuff on from the drive-in today, but I'm gonna wipe it up for you guys first. So as you can see, this is a very, very common problem in Canada, especially the sandblasting, is because of the rolled gravel and rock that we put down to resolve the ice and snow that we have on our roads. But in California, you have a lot of problems with the lenses turning yellow from oxidization. All right, so I'm gonna take some sandpaper, and we're gonna sand down the first layer first. Look at that stuff, you guys. It's pretty yellow. If it's your own car, you probably want to tape off the areas that you don't want to get hit by the sandpaper. But yeah, this is whatever. Yeah, actually do that. All right, you guys, so I'm done sanding this side down, and it doesn't look any better than this side. It's a little less yellow, as you can see, because I took down a little bit of the layer. So next up, we're gonna hit it with some heavy cut compound and with a polisher. Maybe I should just spread it around first, right? Just to let you guys know, this is actually my first time doing this, so hope it works out. All right, guys, so I'm finished my first pass. Pretty amazing. Look at that, you guys. That's just the first pass. Look at this side, look at this side. Look at that, look at that, you guys. It's like, This is no BS like every other damn YouTube DIY headlamp restoration. Look at that. And all I did was just, I polished it with sandpaper and I think like 2000 grit. And then I hit it with a polisher. That's it. First one, heavy cut compound. Look at that, you guys. Despite like the pit, the deep pits, but look, it's clear. I could actually see inside. Okay, I'm gonna hit it. Okay, I'm gonna hit it one more time and then we'll do the finishing compound. All right guys, so I did my second pass with the cutting compound. Now I'm gonna do it with the, finish it off with the super finish compound. It's just another polishing wax or whatever it is, but yeah, we're gonna do that now, you guys. So far so good, eh? Amazing. Oh shit. Ooh. All right, I finished, you guys, and just amazing. Absolutely amazing, guys. And this is an 07. 07 daily driver, and look. So I'm done. Pretty much everything other, I guess, DIY videos has done. This is the secret sauce, you guys. I'm gonna show you right now. Yeah. So are you ready for me to share with you guys that secret sauce that is really not a band-aid or just a temporary fix? This is going to be the permanent fix for you guys. No more sandblasting, no more oxidization, no more foggy headlamps. Yeah. So you can go and get this at your local paint shop. They can sell you a sheet like this. You can put over top of it. The PPF is going to put a physical barrier, so you're not going to get all these pits anymore, or it'll protect you from the elements like the sun. Usually it's the sun that causes it to turn yellow, and it'll never look like this again. That way you're going to be able to actually see at night, and it's going to be a whole new vision, you guys. So let me go throw this on, and I'll be right back. Yeah, I'm sure if you can just go to your local tin shop or PPF shop or some detail shop, they'll sell you a sheet. It can't be that expensive, you guys. It's a lot cheaper than replacing your headlamps. By the way, I ain't no professional detail company or a detailer or anything like that, if you guys are thinking that. I'm just an average Joe, just like all you guys, just trying to help you guys out. An average Joe to an average Joe. Trying to save you guys money. Hope you guys enjoy these DIY videos, because I really do enjoy making them. And if it's useful, smash that subscribe button, guys, and turn the notification, and leave a comment how you guys are enjoying the videos. It really helps, goes a long way, you guys. Thanks. So sometimes these kits are a little too big, but even if you buy by the bulk, you're just going to have to trim it to size or to the shape of the headlamp. Boom! Done, you guys. Look at that. Now you got a physical barrier. This headlamp will never go yellow or sand or all pitted up, and hopefully you guys can see that. But look at the difference, you guys. Look at that. What a huge difference, you guys. So it's pretty simple. You know, it's sandpaper, a little bit of polishing compound. I'm pretty sure a lot of you car guys will have it at home, or you can just go to your local Canadian Tire or Pep Boys. They should have it, right? And you don't have to get like a fancy polish like I have. You can just use an actual drill. Like get a hand drill. It'll work. It'll work, you guys. Just saved myself a lot of money right there. And it took me what? By the time I finished recording and everything, maybe an hour recording and doing it all at the same time. But if you're doing it by yourself, I would say half an hour. Didn't take long, you guys. And the skill level is not very high. So, and this is a permanent fix. Permanent, not a solution. So that's the difference between my channel and other channel. Other channels are good, but this is great. All right, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. I got some surprises for you guys for the GTR. You guys, GTR guys, are just probably wondering what's going on with it. Next week, you guys. Next week. Yeah, excited to show you guys. But yeah, hope you guys are enjoying the weekend. Like, it's so close to Christmas, you guys. I think it's like 10 days. Is it 10 days? Yeah, something like that. 10 days. That's crazy, you guys. But hope you guys enjoy the vlogs. See ya.